2003. Now it's a 93.
83.
83. Gotta have a carburetor on it too. Well, it's got overdrive. It's pretty clean. Actually, it's very clean. No, it's got throttle. It's like a throttle body. Maybe we'll go after that torque converter. I mean, the transmission. See if I can take a couple pictures so I remember what it is. That's a nice 2005 truck that was hit, and it should have a good trans. A lot of Chevys. 4 Chevy truck. Look at that bed, clean as heck. Actually, not bad. Dented but clean. Undercoating or rhino lighting a Caprice.